Three Rivers Archery, your longbow and recurve experts.
To use Reparrow footings to repair broken arrows, cut the shaft back to undamaged wood. Taper the end as you would to install a point. Check the fit of a Reparrow to make sure the taper of the shaft is not too long. If the Reparrow does not become snug, trim a little off the end and try again. When the fit is correct, drop 2 or 3 drops of wood glue into the socket and insert the tapered shaft with a slight twist. A firm push is plenty. Too much force might crack the footing or starve the joint of glue. Putting the parts together should force some glue out of the joint. Wipe off the glue that is pushed out. Check to make sure the footing is lined up with the shaft. Clamping is not necessary. Set it aside till the glue has cured. When the glue is cured, cut to desired length and taper as usual for a point. If you have an electric drill, install a field point on the arrow shaft and chuck the point in the drill. While spinning the arrow in the drill, sand the Reparrow lightly to match the diameter of the arrow shaft. Be careful not to sand the arrow, because it is easily reduced in size. The arrow can be used without sanding the footing, but sanding makes for a nicer looking finish.